paint scratch, as long as the scratch doesn't go down to the metal, we'll buff it out. We're not going to repaint the customer's car. And fabric repair, what is it, 2 inches?
Thought it was inch and a half.
I don't know, it's somewhere between 1.5 inches and 2 inch. Rip, tear, burn, will fix. The number one claim comes from,
Cigarettes.
no.
No.
The number one claim comes from women in their high heels wearing a hole in the carpet under the accelerator or in front of the accelerator or the brake.
Huh.
Yep, that's the number one claim.
Huh.
Okay? So, I mean, a woman should be all over
So the
this.
fabric repair isn't just for the